Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Java and Android tutorial series, and I hope you understand and enjoy that project. So today we are working with Android tutorial series, and in today's video also I'll be telling you that how you can just build an amazing project. Moving forward, I'll be telling you what project we are building today in Android Studio and how we are building this. Like previously, we have built an amazing multi-screen Android application, and I hope you enjoy that. So just I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well. So remember to see this video from start so you can understand what project we are building and how we are building it from start. So if you understand this video, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. And also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing skills and they can be also take benefit of these amazing languages which we are giving to our channel. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we'll be using Android Studio and how we'll be using in our project from start.
So, so just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project here, and today we're building an amazing navigation app with drawer icon. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we can just build this amazing navigation bar with with navigation bar with icon. So for building this amazing navigation bar with icon, here we have to open our Android Studio, because you all know that when we were working with our Android Studio, so we were just using some of the output in that, and I hope you are understanding that things which we have done. So it takes some time to open, so you have to wait a while till your Android Studio will be opening here. You can see you will be getting this interface when it will be opening. So you can just download many of the versions are here, 2022, 21. There are buy version and free version as well. If you are comfortable with the free version, you can just download the free one, or if you want to just buy any version, so you can also do that. It will be covering up many of the, you can say, required tools which we needed in Android Studio. But I think that free version is you can say compatible thing. You can also use that if you are building big projects or building any apps like that thing. So you can use the free version as well. It provides all the features which you needed to build your applications and interfaces, like you know that all stuff. So just now you can see when you will be opening, we have already created one application, one folder. You can give any of the name to your folder. I have given application one. In application one folder, you will be getting these all files. We are using activity underscore main.xml file in which we were working on styling. Then after covering up the styling method, you can say after covering up the styling features, we'll be moving on to coding. And in the coding section, I will be telling you that how you can use that coding section and how you can just use to build projects in that, how you can do changes with the help of the linear layout plus your coding section. So it will be taking some time. It has been just downloaded, taking some initializing, and you can see it has opened. So in the previous video, we have just covered up the multi-screen app, and I hope you understand that and enjoy that. In that video, I'm also telling you that you can just connect your mobile with your PC to see that you are getting this multi-screen app on your mobile. But before connecting your mobile, you have to first of all connect it. After connecting, you have to press this run button, and when you'll be pressing this run button, so you have to just open. Means your application will be directly opening in your mobile. You have to do some of the things. You can see that things from YouTube, then you can just move on to work with your you can say project. So it is really easy to run on your mobile. You can also download the emulator here, but my emulator is not working in the big project. I'm telling you that how you can use emulator and how you can use that, because if I download that stuff, so it takes some time. So because of that, I'm not wasting that time here, and I'm telling you how you can build. Then you can apply these all things in your mobile, so it will be getting these all stuff which you are building here. Like this, many of the people check when they are building any of the Android application. So here we are now getting the multi-screen app. I will be changing it to navigation bar here. So I will be writing here navigation bar, and in navigation bar, I will be now just building the navigation bar with drawer icon. So I will be writing this drawer icon, press enter. So now when you will be pressing enter, you can see we are getting this text navigation bar with drawer icon. Now we have to make this navigation bar with drawer icon, and now you will be thinking that how we can build this. So for building this navigation bar with the drawer icon, first of all, you have to take this you can say this recycler view. You can see in recycler view, we are getting all the things like we are getting in navbar, but in navbar you just see that we are getting in horizontal line, but in this recycler view we are getting all the things by one, you can say in one line we are getting, means vertically we are getting all the things, but we want it should be horizontal. So for taking this thing at the horizontal, you can just do like you can set its padding and margin to make it horizontal, or you can just take it at the vertical and you can make the things in vertical as well. You can change its name here. So for changing its name, you can set its ID and the stuff which you want to set here. You can see we are getting all these things about this recycler view. So you can see these are the declared layout things which we are getting in this. So I will be now pressing this plus. After pressing this plus, you can add your margin and padding in this. So you can just set this all stuff here. So here I will be now just setting my constraints. You can see these are getting the player constraints, and you can just now getting the constraint 0. So you can take it to horizontal, and after taking it to horizontal, you can just set these things to horizontal. Means 3 constraints we have added here in the horizontal. So you can see we are just taking it at the top. You can set it by your own self how you have you want to set this thing, and after setting you can just make this thing working here. So we are getting this here. Now we have just set it this all thing. You can refactor it, or you can just center. You can also add helpers in that, like helpers. You can say that these all stuff which you are getting, like vertical guideline, and then this horizontal guideline, then this vertical barrier and all that stuff. Then this is the horizontal barrier which we are getting in the group set of constraints. You can use the set of constraints as well here if you want to use. Then in navbar we get the navbar menu, and with the navbar menu we also get the background color. You can also set the background color. You can change the you can say the navbar if you want to change, means the navbar color. If you want to change that, you can do here. So we are getting this. So I will be taking this thing down. We are getting something here. First of all, I will be deleting this, then I will be taking it at the top again. So I think that it is too much at the top, so we should give some space from the top. You can also give it through margin or padding, but it will be really big method to do. So directly I'm dragging dropping this. And now after doing this thing, you can just add in the text view here in this. You can see this is the text view here, and you can create an F bar simply here. And in this text view, like I write, here it is written text view, I will be writing here home. Now here you can see I've just written home in my text view. Then I will be directly doing one thing. I will be now copying this, and then I will be pasting it. And then when you paste this, you can see we are getting it 2 times. Now here I will be again pressing Alt to copy this again, and then this is the 3 navbar. Okay, so it does not copy like this. Paste, take it here, then paste, and then take it here, and then again you have to paste this thing and directly take it here. Means you can add many of the navbar. Means how many navbar you are getting in your page, you can set it here. Like I'm getting you can say 5 navbar, so I've set it here 5 navbar on my page. Now you can just give the different names to your navbar. Like in the first I've written home, so I will be giving it service or services like this. After giving it services, here you can just give it another name. Like I will be writing here blog, then you can write here FAQ. So here I will be now writing FAQ like this. Then here you can just move, and in this I will be now just moving here, and here I will be now just like this. I've set it here FAQ blog, and then you can set any other thing here like contact. If I write, you can see now the contact has been added here. Now you can just make this forward so we can get some spacing here. You can see we are just getting spacing, like we are getting home, services, blog, FAQ, and contact here. So we are getting all this stuff. Then this is the navigation bar which we are getting. So you can just take it to top so we can get some spacing. Now you can give it the background color if you want to give, or you can change its font family also if you want to change here. So there are many other font families which you will be getting. Like if I move here, so you will be getting font family like this. You can see here. And now you can just set, there are many of the font family which you will be getting. If you want more fonts, you can just add it by your own self directly from here by searching. So if it will be getting Montserrat, it will be giving you, here it is. Okay, then it is saying that it is not available. So here I will be now just writing, this is the Montserrat. You can do it regular. Okay, and now Montserrat has been added here. And if I just search here Montserrat, you can see here we are getting, press enter. You can see now the Montserrat font family has been added into your navbar like this. So you can see now this in this navbar we are added successfully our Montserrat font family. There are many other font families. You can also add your own font family. Means if the font family which you want to use is not available in Android Studio, you can directly download from Google and you can paste that font family in your Android Studio file. Means where it is located, you can paste it here there, and after pasting, when you will be moving on here, you can directly edit. Like I've added this Montserrat font family. So if like that, you can edit your own font family which you have directly downloaded from the internet, and then you can use this in your project like I have used here. So now when you've just done that, you can also set its background. For setting the background, you can just use the fragment container view. You can see it will be asking, or you can just use recycle, but recycler view will be not giving you that stuff. Okay, so I want that there should be some of the strings like this. So I will be moving here. You can see you can organize it as well directly from here. So now I will be moving on to the text. You can just move on to the widgets. You will be getting the widgets here. You can set the widgets directly you want here. Then these are the layout. You can just take the layout also what you want. Then these are the container you can just take here. So you want that we should be getting some of the things here which you want to add. Then these are the you can say helpers which you can just use to give the background color or to add the things here. So these are the grid views and all that stuff which you can just use. So here you can see we are getting, so I will be deleting this. Now these are the widget tab. I will be moving in the widget layouts. Then I will be taking this linear layout here. You can see this is the linear layout which we are getting. From this linear layout you can just give the background in with the background color. You can also give here the color of gradient. So if you want to just use it, you can use to give the gradient background here like this. Now we have set it. So after setting, if you want to change its color, but before that I will be changing my font. I will be now just moving here in this frame layout, and after just moving in this frame layout I will be now changing it the color. So I will be now writing here color like this. So you can see this is the background, and here you can just change it to any one background like this. You can see now we have changed the background, but we are not getting our text shown here. So I will be doing one thing. I will be taking it at the top, so my text will be gone. You can see now we are showing our text. So make it at the left so we can just get our text good looking like this. We are getting all that stuff. Then I will be making it bigger so we can just get our frame layout on one page. So you can see we are getting it here like this. Now when you are getting this here, you have to now just do one thing directly here. I will be now just getting the frame layout here like this, and then after getting this you have to now clear constraints, so we can just set it by our own self. You can see now we have just set it here. Then I will be taking it at the top so we can just align this, take this down. Okay, so I will be moving it here, making it bigger so I can set it on one page. And now we are getting all the strings by our own self. So here you can see now we are getting it here. So after getting this stuff, you can see we are getting this all things here in this project. And when you're getting this all things here, just you have to directly do one thing here. You have to now do like this. You can see we have just written this, and then here I will be now just moving it here and then taking it in center like this. So here you can see we have just aligned this, and now you can just change its color here. So if you want to change the color, you have to directly move here. Then you have to now just write the text color here. So I will be now writing here text color. You can see like this we are getting. Then you can just set the color to white. So we can just, okay, so white will be not shown here. You can see now we are getting the white here. So you can see like this we can just build the nav bar. So I hope you understand how we have just built this nav bar successfully here, and I hope you understand this how you can also build nav bar using this amazing project here. So I hope you understand this project here of Android Studio, and I hope you understand this video here. So if you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, just subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how they can build this navigation bar with drawable icon and how you can also use it in your project. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.